Should you prepare for CAT 2026 using AI tools, join traditional coaching, or combine both? AI promises personalized plan, instant analysis, and flexible learning. Coaching offers expert teachers, discipline, and structured preparation. In this video, we will compare both options and help you choose what suits your preparation level, schedule, and the budget. For personalized guidance regarding CAT preparation, MBA entrance exams, colleges, and admissions, connect with Careers360 student counseling. Send MBA on WhatsApp or call 8130376334. Also, subscribe to MBA 360 for regular student-focused updates. So, dear ones, why this comparison between AI versus coaching matters a lot? Listen, many students select a course simply because their friends joined it. But your choice should depend on 4 factors: your conceptual basics, study discipline, available time, and need for personal guidance. So let us understand how both preparation methods actually work. AI-based preparation uses your test performance to personalize the practice. Adaptive test may increase or reduce question difficulty according to your answers. Performance dashboard, they track accuracy, speed, and weak topics, isn't it? Now suppose you are performing well in quant but struggling in VARC. So the platform may automatically recommend more reading comprehension practice while helping you maintain your quant level. Is it clear? Yes. AI chatbots can also solve basic doubts immediately, saving valuable self-study time. The biggest advantage is flexibility. You can study whenever your college or work schedule allows you. However, complex DILR sets and confusing VARC answer choices may still require guidance from an experienced mentor. So, dear ones, traditional coaching generally follows a fixed syllabus plan lasting about 5 to 8 months, isn't it? Experienced teacher explains the concepts, shortcuts, question selection, and exam strategy. So this can be particularly valuable for students struggling with arithmetic, algebra, or difficult LRDI sets. Now if I talk about for VARC, teachers can explain why 2 similar looking answer options are not equally correct. Coaching also provides peer comparison through test and percentile tracking. However, it requires a larger investment. So, if I talk about an indicative fee range, it is between rupees 30 to 80,000. I'm talking about for coaching, and there are fixed class timings. It may be difficult for working professional to go for that. Now, what CAT trends teach us? CAT preparation is not only about completing the study material. Student needs regular mock test, detailed analysis, and a balanced sectional strategy. After every mock, you need to identify which question consumed too much time, where did accuracy fall, which topics repeatedly caused mistakes. Improvement comes from analyzing the mocks, not merely attempting more of them. So now if I just compare AI versus coaching. So AI-based preparation, it costs you near about 500 to 5,000, whereas the traditional charges you 30 to 80,000. Study anytime and learn at your own pace, but in traditional coaching, fixed class timings. Instant reports showing accuracy, speed, topic-wise performance, recurring mistakes. But if I talk about for traditional coaching, detailed review by faculty, though feedback may take longer. Quant and DILR preparation, it's actually good. When I talk about AI-based, strong for daily practice, timed quizzes, analyzing the performance trends. And traditional coaching, better for building concepts, learning shortcuts, and solving difficult questions. VARC preparation, yeah, it's AI is good for RC practice. But in the traditional coaching, teachers explain reading strategies, option elimination methods, and inference-based questions in detail. Dear ones, AI preparation may suit the working professionals, repeat aspirants, disciplined students, and candidates with strong fundamentals. Traditional coaching may suit the first time aspirants, students with weak basics, and those needing regular motivation or doubt support. For many students, the best solution is a hybrid approach: teachers for concepts and difficult doubts, and AI for practice, tracking, and mock analysis. Careers360 here comes in and helps students build this preparation system through mock test, ebooks, topic-wise study material. So the resources that has been shown over here include the CAT Arithmetic Hackbook, Algebra Hackbook, Number System Handbook, Geometry and Mensuration Material, Quant Practice Questions, VARC Study Material, Idioms and Phrases, Vocab Resources, and a CAT Mock Test Series with Expert Solution. Start with the mock test, identify your weakness, download the relevant resource, practice, and then test yourself again. Dear ones, choose AI when you need flexibility and already understand the basics. Choose coaching when you need structured learning, strong concepts, and accountability. Choose a hybrid strategy when you want the benefits of both. Use Careers360 resources to create a preparation plan suited to your own strengths and weaknesses. The link of each and every resource book has been provided to you in the description box. They are freely available and easily downloadable. Subscribe to MBA360 and comment below for CAT 2026. Are you choosing AI, coaching, or a hybrid strategy?